Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial today about how we're going to be doing our planners from now on Google Sheets. This is an assignment tracker and it's a digital planner. It's basically doing the same thing we were doing in your notebooks, but you will have this on your iPad or your Chrome or your MacBook. So if you want to go to either Google Sheets or I'm going to show you how to do it online, go to Google Suites. I'm using this up here. Go to Sheets. If you're doing this on the app, it's very similar once you're at this page here. So I have assignment tracker in my recents. For you guys, go to your template gallery. It's going to be under the education heading. It should be your first one, and click assignment tracker. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's pulled up. So it's already formatted for you and everything. You have your subjects here. You have your name of your assignments. You get to choose your status. You get to choose the amount of time it takes to complete it. You get to choose your start date and when it is due. So I'm going to move over because I've already selected one that's similar to what I want you to create. So when you're creating your subjects, you have the ones that they have, but you can edit them. To edit your subjects, whether you're changing some or adding some, go down to this tab at the bottom called Subjects, and you can simply type in any subject you want. So say we want maybe Genius Hour. Simply once it's typed, go back to Assignments. And now if you click under Subject and you want to add a new assignment, click that drop down and every subject that you have will be an option. So say for Genius Hour, the assignment you have interview notes due this week. So maybe you've already started them, so you're going to click in progress. You can choose not started, in progress, skipped, or done. So let's say we're in progress with this one. I'm not going to focus too much on time because I don't feel like that one's as important, but it is important if it's something that you think is going to take you a long time. For example, in ELA, reading the 7 chapters in Rascal, if you've not started it, you might want to note that it's going to take about 6 hours. So for this one, for interview notes, I will say 20 minutes. And then I'm going to move over here. So your start date, you double click start date. You can click any date. So I'm just going to click today's date. Oops. There we go. And then I will click tomorrow's date for the due date. Notice that it put the due date in red. It does that because it's upcoming and it wants you to be alert. Now, say that I finished my Genius Hour. I'm going to go to my status bar. Instead of in progress, I'm going to change it to done. It goes ahead and strikes that out for you. It turns it gray. It takes these due dates off your hands. So once you'll notice the things that stay red, that's what you want to work on. After you've done something, simply click it done. We're going to make a new one for every week. So up here, if you click assignment tracker, every week we're going to put the date. So if I put 7/25, let's just say we're going to go to, let's just do tomorrow. We'll do 7/25/26. So when you edit this every week, you can create a new one every week, or you can simply edit and clear all your assignments out, change them all to not started, clear all of these, then you will go back to a fresh assignment sheet for the week. I think this is a good way to quickly look and see what you need to do. You saw even when I added something in there, it took only seconds, and then being able to strike it out when it's done is a good visual to see how much you have left, especially with that time, to see about how much time you have left on things that you maybe haven't started or are in progress. So if you have any further questions, please reach out to me via email, or you can send me a Google Hangout and we can do another walkthrough tutorial. Thanks.